sightseeing ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆ
Well, finally we reach Hampi. The weather seems kind of grim and cold.
Good morning and greetings from Hampi, the ancient town nestled somewhere in the southern provinces of Karnataka. Well guys, listen, it's been almost an year since I've been traveling, and you know why we couldn't travel for a year, right? We were subjected to confinement due to coronavirus. So I just found an opportunity and thought, why not take a short sabbatical and explore this hidden gem called as Hampi. And yep, for the time being it seems kind of fascinating. It's thriving with nature, it is scattered with ruins, so I think there's a lot of historical significance that this place inherits. So hopefully we'll find something interesting. So join me on this exhilarating journey as we explore the small town of Hampi. Let's do it. Well, for almost an year I was stuck at home thanks to the pandemic, so this feels like a long hiatus from my day-to-day life. And yep, it feels great to be back on the roads, and it feels wonderful to be in this wonderful state called Karnataka, a state that is full of nature, teemed with wildlife and always thriving with nature, unlike my state, Telangana. So hopefully Hampi has a lot of things to offer. So we have all the rocks scattered over here, the most idyllic scenes of Hampi, and here is where all the ruins begin. Well, I'm sure this place has seen better days, but doesn't it still look beautiful? A small lake, or I should say a pond. Well, quite an interesting place to explore. Hopefully we'll have much more to offer. Okay, I didn't notice we have the name mentioned over here. Pushkarani. A large 16th century tank has an ornate main entrance from the south and measures around 7 meters in length. Wow. Let's carry it around and see what else we find straight ahead. So if you guys have ever been to Hampi, if you guys have ever been to Hampi, do let me know some of the interesting facets that I could visit, because I've just heard the other side of Hampi, which happens to be the hippie island, is completely desecrated, and that place no longer exists. So you only have this side of Hampi where I'm residing, which is more of a religious pilgrimage. Yeah. Well, it seems pretty evident that this monument over here was plundered. I see the top part completely desecrated. So yep, like I mentioned, this place has probably seen better days, but now it is just subjected to ancient ruins which is being preserved, and it's one of those UNESCO heritage sites which is often visited by tourists from all across the world, especially people who are fascinated with the concept of Hinduism. Definitely this is a place that you'll have to visit if you're coming to India. I think this is where you have to get your tickets in order to proceed further. So let's go ahead, get a ticket for ourselves and see how much it costs. टिकट
ऑनलाइन बुक करना सब टिकट
यहाँ से स्कैन करके
स्कैन भी कर सकते, गूगल सर्च में भी
पे नहीं हो सकता।
पे नहीं सर, पे नहीं।
ठीक है, 1 मिनट।
ओके।
Well, was not aware about this, so this is what I have to do. Just give me a minute and I'll probably get back after I pay the amount. Well, finally we are here at one of the most monumental places of Hampi, a UNESCO heritage site. Have a glimpse. Vitala Temple. Well, speaking about the history, Hampi was actually not the real name of this place. It was actually called as Pampa Kshetra, which is derived from the name of Parvati, goddess Parvati. And now we are gonna venture into this new temple, which I've visited for the first time ever. And just check out the attention to detail. It's already so captivating that it's caught my eyes. Let me show you a few things like these. Well, so all the sculptures are dated as back as 5th century, which is probably 1500 years back. And what's really intriguing about this place is, despite of this place being plundered and being looted, being pillaged by the Muslim invaders, it still stands strong. And we see this place is under renovation. At least government is utilizing the money that we are paying as tourists in order to renovate this place. Well, let's carry around and see what else we can find. Well, another interesting fact about the Vijayanagara Empire is the way it was formed, in fact. So the way the Vijayanagara Empire was ensued is by basically when the Mughal empires, who had control over the northern part of India, which was called as Delhi Sultanates during the 13th century, they slowly started venturing to the southern part of India below the Deccan Plateau. So as they started venturing, the kings of the southern part, who belong to the Dravidian traditions or the religion, I must say, so these people united the Chanakyas, the Dravidians, and various other kings which I may not be aware of right now, but all of them united in order to battle against the Islamic invaders, and that's how the Vijayanagara Empire came into existence. Imagine these guys, they were so freaking rich that they actually managed to spend all that money wisely on places like these. And they were also patrons of ancient science and various other magnificent things which I may not be aware about, but then this is just a wonderful place to behold. Well, I have someone with me who would actually help me learn the history about this place. So I won't be rambling anymore about how much I know about Hampi. I'm not really well versed with the history of Hampi, but yeah, I'm really intrigued and I really want to learn more about this place. So from here, I'm gonna carry on and give you information from a different person who happens to be a good friend of mine, who happens to reside in Hampi. So over to him. Okay.
This is the name is a Vittalapur Bazaar.
This is
In
one.
16th century, this is an open trade center.
Okay.
People are selling gold, diamond, jewelry, pearls and precious stone. They sell by liter.
Liters.
Yes.
Okay.
They not sell by scale, not a gram. They start bazaar from this temple
Okay.
up to there.
So yeah, I've heard that during medieval times, Hampi was the international trading center.
16th and 15th century.
Okay.
This international traders is coming.
Okay.
Arabian, Portuguese, Chinese, Italian, Persian. How they came, these people, Vasco da Gama.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Before
That's so
Vasco da
common.
Gama, these people came by Silk Road to make a business. This bazaar built in 16th century, but here main international business for the trade horse. Main here horse. But this is one of the rich markets. But this is the temple name is called Krishna. But
Okay.
now there is no statue, sir.
Yeah.
Total in Hampi, 3,600 monument. Hampi is open air museum. 14th century start the kingdom. Hampi is the first name is called Kishkinda in Ramayana story.
Okay. Kishkinda Kingdoms. Yeah, I
This
heard about
originally
it. Yeah.
Wali Sugriva, they staying this place. And second name is the Pampa Kshetra. Third name is Vidyanagar Nagar. Fourth name is called Vijayanagara Kingdom.
Okay.
Hampi was the capital city of the Vijayanagara Empire city. This is the main city, central city.
Okay.
26 square kilometer area. 4 dynasty was ruled here. 28 kings. 235 years ruled the city. But 14, 15, 16. These people are in the world second richest empire. First was Roman,
Yeah.
second Vijayanagara, these people.
Vijayanagara Empire. Yeah.
This is called Tirumala Devi Gopura.
Okay.
Tirumala Devi is Krishna Dev's first wife. Krishna Dev married here 2 wives. First wife is a queen, second wife dancer. This is one of the most famous temple in Hampi. Ordinary people, common people not enter into this temple those time and Vijayanagara period. Today is a UNESCO site. This is,
UNESCO Heritage Site. Yes.
yeah, but those time only for kings people and VIPs, rich business people.
Rich people.
entry.
Yeah.
Yes. These are royal entrance. King's
Okay.
family entrance.
King's family's
South
entrance.
entrance is a common people entrance. ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ? Sir,
So all these are ruins, right?
so welcome to the World Heritage Site. This is
Okay.
the World Heritage Site, sir.
Okay.
Sir, this is called singing place. People come here, they sit in this place, they sing the song, play the music. This is a music place, like temple writers,
Okay.
poetry people. You know Purandara Dasar?
Purandara Das?
Yeah.
No, I don't.
Tenali Ramakrishna.
Tenali Raman, I know, yes.
Krishna Deva Raya court, Tenali Raman.
Okay.
He is very popular. In this temple, inside Purandara Dasar, they sit here, they write the songs. Southeast here, kitchen hall.
Okay.
Northeast water tank. East is entrance. You know Tulsi plant?
Yes, I know, basil plant.
Basil plant, this one. Second is a Deepa Stamba. They're using lamps. Today we have power. Those time, the more than like a 20 meter, 10 meter height of the columns for the lightings to the temples.
Okay, there used to be a huge light which is to illuminate light all over the temple. Okay.
Yes.
This is the stone
This
chariot.
is the sacrifice.
Okay.
And this is the flag post.
Flag post.
Yes. So you been that place? That place.
That place? No, I've not been here.
Because that is one of the most famous temple in Hampi.
Okay.
And that is called Hanuman temple.
Hanuman
The
temple.
birthplace of Hanuman. But when you're climbing entire the viewpoint, you can see.
Okay. That's a good vantage point to see overlook the entire monument.
360-degree viewpoint you can see.
Okay.
So this is one of the most famous place in Hampi, the stone chariot.
The stone chariot, I
For
heard
50
about
rupees
it.
note, you can see this picture.
Okay.
50 new notes, sir.
New notes.
In India, 3 places stone chariot: Konarka, Mahabalipuram, Hampi.
Okay.
The chariot specialty, Sri Krishna Deva Raya, he went to 16th century Orissa. He get big victory from Orissa and victory memorial chariot.
Okay.
Please stand here, I make your one picture. You have a camera?
Yeah.
Yeah. 56 photography. With the tower, they have a Gopuram.
Gopuram.
Yes. You see this one? Small Gopuram used to be in the roof.
Okay.
But now keep the downside. This one used to be in the roof.
This one.
Yeah, small one.
Okay,
here.
that small one.
Small one here. So this is a marriage hall and people come here for celebration to the Vitala. But not for the people, for the god and goddesses. But inside very beautiful carvings, 9-in-1 architecture are there. So you've been Hampi or outside is the first place?
This is the first place. This is the first time I've been to Hampi. Yeah.
How you came by car?
No, I came by bus from Hyderabad.
After you come by auto.
Yeah, no, from my hotel I came by auto. Yeah.
Right, yeah. So here, 9 animal in one.
Okay.
The first is a tiger leg.
Tiger leg.
Second is a horse body.
Hmm.
Lion head. Third. Fourth is a crocodile teeth.
Yeah. Okay.
Elephant trunk. Dragon eye. Peacock feather. Rabbit tail. Swift head.
Okay.
9 animals there.
Okay.
I can repeat one more time. You can make video.
Yeah.
Number 1.
Number 1.
Tiger leg.
Okay.
Number 2, horse body. Okay. This one. Number 3, lion head.
Okay.
Number 4, crocodile.
Yeah, I see that.
Number 5, elephant trunk.
Elephant trunk.
Number 6, dragon eye. Number 7, rabbit ear. Number 8, you see the top.
Yeah.
Swift head. And number 9, peacock feather.
Oh, wonderful. Can't imagine all these things have lasted for generations.
Yeah. So this is also one stone.
Okay.
But here Krishna with the playing with the flute. The cow also listen the music. But he is a great playing music, you know. And you see he has a hairstyle of the cutting, Billy cat cutting, you know.
Yeah.
Like that. And French cutting here also. Advanced hairstyle, dress code. You see the French cuttings. French cut.
Oh yeah, lovely.
But here Rama, Lakshmana, Rama, Sita. Top Rama Pattabhisheka, coronation. You know Angad?
Angad?
Angad is the Wali's son.
Okay.
Wali, Angad and Hanuman, they went to Sri Lanka. Ravana not give to place to sitting to them.
Okay.
Then Angad he's become very hungry. Then he make tail from his throne and Hanuman sitting here. He's Angad and Angad tail.
Okay, yeah, I remember from the tale of Ramayana, yes.
Yeah, Ramayana this. Is Hanuman here. Is Angad this place. So here Ravana here. Ravana they don't give chance to them to the sitting to the floor for the chair. All the chair he make empties.
Wow.
So here, so Vali and Sugriva.
Okay.
Vali and Sugriva. Here, Vali, Sugriva, Hanuman. On the top, you can see the Rama, Lakshmana. This is a marriage hall, and people come here for celebration. So here you see.
So for guys who don't know what Ramayana is, it is a Hindu mythical
Yeah.
story. Yeah.
4 epic story: Ramayana, Mahabharata.
Mahabharata.
Hampi is a part of Ramayana story.
Yeah.
So here Vishnu, Sri Devi and Bhudevi. Top you see the Lakshman, Hanuman and Rama. And Hanuman carried the Sanjeevani hill.
Yeah, I remember this.
This one, you know. Here.
Because Rama was injured.
No,
Lakshman was injured, okay.
You know this story? Hiranyakashipu and the Bhakta Prahlad, Narasimha. Because Bhakta Prahlad, his son of Hiranyakashipu, he tried to kill his own son. That time Vishnu has become the half man, half lion, killing to him. This story, Narasimha. So here Vishnu incarnations.
Vishnu incarnation.
Yeah, incarnation.
All the incarnations.
First
of
is
Vishnu.
the fish,
Yeah, fish.
turtle,
Turtle.
pig,
A pig.
and lion. Lion,
Lion.
Vamana,
Woman.
Parshuram,
Okay.
and here Parshuram, Rama, here Rama, and Krishna, and Buddha is somewhere, and there is a horse, Kali.
Okay.
Kaliki is the last one.
Kalki is last, yes.
Yeah. Kaliki is not come, but soon coming. Sir, every column,
Huh?
this Venkateshwara statue we can found, every pillar, because of, in this temple particularly, why, you know, because of the Vijayanagara family main god, Balaji.
Okay. Balaji was the main god of Vijayanagara Empire.
No. Not empire god, is family god.
It's a family god.
Empire god is a Virupaksha, Shiva. Oh,
Is this the under renovation?
yes sir, under renovation.
Okay.
So here 2 in 1, sir. The first is elephant, second is a bull.
Okay.
Elephant
Elephant and bull.
This is 2 in 1. So this is throne elephant, like a decoration, like that, with
Yeah.
the bells, with the cloths. So you been Mysore?
Yeah, I've been.
Mysore, there is a Dasara festival started, you know, but this time they don't make Dasara festival grandly. They make simple.
Simple, okay.
So this is like a throne elephants. But these all are Arabian people come to Hampi to make a business. You see there, Arabian. The dancing women. The lady holding her babies. These all are dancing hall. 56 pillar, 56 music. Every pillar the different sound.
Oh,
When
nice.
is
It's
the
a musical
prince?
pillar.
Queen dancing time. And prince watch the music and dance. King went sit there. And the queen see make a dance. Artist came here. They stand every column. They take sticks. They hit the column. Echoes go 1 kilometer.
Wow.
When is the queen dancing time? They put the screen here. A silk screen.
Okay.
Closing the this one. Queen dance, no one watch, you know, that's why they close the clothes. But this music echoes go 1 kilometer. But today's 1 kilometer music is not go because 1565, you know, during the war time, Sultans attack Hampi from the ceiling. They put the wooden piece, they make fire. When they make fire, ceiling is collapse.
Okay.
Only important pillar get the music. Every pillar music is not come. This is the Damaruga music,
Okay, yes.
the Mridanga music.
Mridanga music. Okay, I can see the sculptures.
Yes. This is a temple as a miniature, like a blueprint. I can explain you. You see, this is a first horse design, bird architecture. They use the lamps here.
Okay.
Lamps,
Lamps.
flower and bangle, dancing hall, music pillar, ceiling, upper ceiling.
Oh, nice.
This is a temple as a miniature.
So all these were created in the 14th century?
This is built in 16th century.
Okay, this was all built in 16th century.
Sir, in 13th
Wow.
century after start bricks work. You see lower part is a stone, upper part is a bricks.
Okay.
This is a south entrance for the guest entrance. This is a 100 pillar meeting place, complimenting place. Like
Okay.
a taxes discussing about the kings and other people. This is a meeting hall. for those
Nice.
time. International meetings, this place.
International meetings used to take place.
Yes.
Okay.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪಾನಿ ಕೊಡಪ್ಪ ಯಜಮಾನ ಚಲೋ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ.
Well, guys, what do you think of this place? Unfortunately, mask is mandatory here, so I'm resorting to wear it. But it's lovely to just know so much of history at just one place, and there's a lot that I will share too. But for the time being, I think this guy is way more educated than me, so we might as well listen from him. Okay, let's carry on.
Yeah. 100 pillar the meeting place. Kings came here to
Yeah.
meet the kings. Other king also paying taxes. So here Hanuman is not happy
Hanuman is not happy. Okay.
because Rama, when child, Hanuman and Rama that time, Rama said to Hanuman, I meet you again. But he is not mentioned which place.
Okay.
So Ram and Lakshman they searching to see that time they meet the Hanuman here. Ram tell all the stories. Hanuman is not happy. You see, sad.
Yeah, Hanuman is sad.
So here Ashwin the music like a damaru, drum sound. You see.
Oh yeah. Is this marble or rock?
Now this is a bauxite stone.
Oh,
Bauxite.
nice.
But here school bell and calling bell are showing you. This school bell. So this is a calling bell once again.
Oh, nice.
Here different sound here. Huh? One pillar two sound. So this is a one pillar, this two sound. Different sound here. Metal sound.
Yeah, I can feel the difference in the music. Yeah.
See the artist. See, this is a big arrow. She playing with our lady. You know circus?
Circus.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think banned this one. Somewhere else there in Bangkok and some. This is a water music.
Okay, so back those days, these were used as instruments to
yes.
play music.
And
So,
here advanced hairstyle, hippie hairstyle.
Okay,
Next generation people is coming like that, the advance.
great.
But this is the 100 pillars are there. Sir, Hampi surrounded by 26 square kilometer area. If you know the history, 6 months time. If you know the place to see, 3 months. This is Hampi's open air museum. I start tour guide 97 almost.
1997?
Yes,
Wow.
23 years service. This my visiting card.
Oh, lovely.
I'm not only temple guide.
Hopefully you'll get more business through this.
Yes,
Yeah.
this is a tour operator and guide. I doing the cooking class, bicycle tour.
Wow, wow. Thank you for your...
But now the corona after, you know that.
Yeah, I get that, yeah. I know that.
Sir, here this is a two-in-one. The first is a lion face. This side horse jumping. Lion face, horse jumping. This is a two-in-one. But here fine one is there. But Hampi without guide we cannot see. But some are secret architectures like this. This is the fine one architecture. The first one is big monkey lifting her baby, taking up. Second is a frog jumping, sir.
Oh, yeah, that's a frog.
Third is a monkey jumping, one leg up, one leg down. And fourth is big monkey, a small kid giving the milk. So 5 shivling and cobra head. And 6 moving snake. One more time I can show you. The first one is big monkey lifting her baby, taking up. Second is a frog jumping. Third is a monkey jumping, one leg up, one leg down. The fourth is big monkey, a small kid giving the milk. So 5 shivling and cobra head. 6 moving snake. This is 6 in 1.
Okay.
Sir, you have water. Just put the water here, little. For between the two lines, just put the water.
Water?
Yes. You see there?
Okay, okay.
Water drops. When they have big rains come, you can see the water lines around. Very high knowledgeable people.
Yeah, I'm sure they are very knowledgeable.
Sir, tell me your name, sir.
My name is Abhishek
Abhishek, right. From Hyderabad.
from
Do you
Hyderabad.
speak Telugu?
No, I'm not a Hyderabadi.
Yeah.
I just stay in Hyderabad. I'm from Kolkata.
All right.
From West Bengal.
Kapil Mani Ashram is there
Oh,
in Ganga Sagar.
Gangasagar, yeah.
Right. Dada Ganguly. BCC is the president now, right?
He's the president of BCCA.
So you see the Vitala Devaru.
Okay, what language is this? Is this Kannada?
Kannada, my language.
Okay,
I study
okay.
same language, sir. But there is a 1435. There is a date you can see there. 1 in Kannada. 1435.
Okay.
But you not read Kannada word, you know. Sanskrit, you know, Devanagari.
Yeah, I know Devanagari. It's a language, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Pali, Devanagari.
Check out this kind of place, man.
This is look like a Mahendra Singh Dhoni, like a wicket keeper.
Okay.
Same, you know.
Yeah.
So today we have a power is there, but they make natural lights with the golden color.
Okay.
You see here, during the daytime, during the sun time, this time right, there is windows, you know, these are all water. So when is the water, here 2 feet water, here the lighting, you know, when sunlight in the water, you get darkness here.
Okay, okay, okay.
But during the day, not this time. But now there is no sun, you know, that's you cannot see proper light.
Okay, when there is sunlight, then
Yeah.
you'll see the reflection of it.
Middle, you know, this
Okay.
time. Now this time, you see.
Okay.
But this is a
Where
lot.
the sunlight comes.
Yes,
Okay.
sunlight. Sir, Hampi, sunrise and sunset time, they look like golden color is Hampi.
Okay.
Sunrise and sunset time. This structure you can see here, but here middle is empty because new generation people is possible new, like a new carving.
Okay, so I wonder why there are no idols of God like
But this-
Krishna or Shiva.
Sir, here in Hampi, there is a big Talikoti war by how many kings?
Okay.
You know Bijapur Sultan?
Yeah, I know Bijapur Sultan.
They attacked the Vijayanagara. They are staying 6 months. During the war time, 3 months they damaged all the temples. That's why Hampi is ruins today.
Okay.
This is this statue shifted in Maharashtra, Pandharpur. But here bad smell is come because of
Yeah, nice.
bats is there. You see, this is a Vishnu and Lakshmi. Sir, Vijayanagara ruling up to Orissa, up to Sri Lanka. Bay of Bengal, Bay of Arabian. This Vijayanagara has ruled.
Vijayanagara. I think even they have ruled in so many parts of Southeast Asia like Bangkok, Indonesia.
Yes.
Because you have temples over there also.
Sir, this Vijayanagara they are not ruled. In Chola Empire they ruled.
Chola Empire went there.
You
Okay.
know, second Vairavarma.
Yeah, I know Chola Empire did invade.
They are ocean kings. They are ocean king of oceans.
Okay.
The Vijayanagara king of land.
Okay, Vijayanagara is king of land.
Yeah.
Chola Empire is king of oceans.
Yes.
Okay.
So exactly inside you can see the Garuda statues there.
Yeah,
in the-
inside, right?
yes.
That side.
Yeah, the chariot inside. When tourists come to Hampi, 3 places you should see: the stone car, 3-head bull, Narasimha. Sir, you see this one? This is bricks and lime structure. Chicken egg, jaggery, calcium, and here Krishna dancing, standing with the Kaliya Mardana.
Okay.
And here Vishnu, Sridevi and Bhudevi. These all are lime plaster.
Okay. So, okay. So this place didn't go under restoration?
Already restoration is gone, you see?
Okay, all these are restored.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Ceiling has restored.
Only the ceiling has been restored.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. But pillar is original. Ceiling is rebuilt. Sir, you know, historical time. And Assam and Bengali people, they most are elephant trainings. You know this?
Oh, no, I don't.
Yeah, you see there? These are elephant trainings.
Okay, yeah, no.
Assam.
I see someone sitting on an elephant.
And also for Kerala people.
We have a Ganesha over here.
Ganesha dancing. And you see Negro hairstyle, like a Chris Gale, you know, hairstyle. You see? Negro's hairstyle.
Okay.
And here Africans. Nigeria, you know,
No.
Nigeria's
Okay. Rastafari.
Rasta, yes.
Rasta.
Season.
I heard the season starts from the month of October. Like, there's a lot of tourism. Like October, November.
Yeah, November. In Dasara holidays.
Okay.
Yeah, these are wholesale shops.
Wholesale shops. They were wholesale shops
Yes.
once upon a time.
So these are all shops, sir. But here, main here, you know the spice here, the spice, masalas, and selling, Andamans. You know the Chikmagalur,
Yeah.
spice place. Kodagu. Kodagu is from Karnataka. You been Kodagu? No.
I didn't.
State, madam. 1 kilometer walk marabud. Sir, here Arabian people bring the horse, Portuguese people bring the gunpowder, Italian people bring the leather and gold.
Okay.
But what they take from here, the spices, chilies, vegetables. they take.
Okay, that's how the trading has been
Yeah,
done.
trading.
Okay.
Like international trade. You know, sir, most are market, they build in the both side hill section. They give the natural protection for the hills. That's why in Hampi's, why these people are selected Hampi is a kingdom. The four reasons to build the city here. The first, Hampi, highly religious place. Second is the stones. Third is the land. Fourth is agricultural land. You know the Alauddin Khilji, Muhammad.
Yeah, of course. Alauddin Khilji. Yeah.
13th century, Alauddin Khilji, Muhammadin Tughlaq, these people, they tried to come to South India. These people, they are thinking Muslim under the Hindu admission. Hindu people, they don't like Muslim rulings. Hakka Bukka, the Juang brother, founder of the Vijayanagara city from 1336. Because you know, everywhere, dog follow the rabbit. This place, a rabbit chase the dog.
Okay.
Like opposite. Like everyone suffering. What is the place? It was the here land power. That's why they selected Hampi as a kingdom. Sir, this is look like a snake head.
Okay, yeah.
The stone, the top stone look like a frog. This one, that's a frog. This look like a snake head, like the snake head. Hampi is open air museum. Like one person say, each rock there is a story. Every rock story is there. You know, Robert Civil is the writer of the first book of Hampi in 1900. 1900 before, no anybody know Hampi history. 1900, Robert Civil, he write the first book of Hampi. 1958 is a department. 1986, the World Heritage is declared by the Hampi. Then tourism started here. 1986 before here, no tourism, no one here.
No one was here.
So when I started tour guide 97, that time only few of tourists come here. Just for 6 months has come. Now a lot of tourists come. But after Corona, in 6 months here, the tourism are very very weak now. Now I think it's pick up now like that.
Yeah, I'm sure it'll pick up slowly.
So English, when tourists come here, time and patience, interest. No time, no patience, no interest, we cannot see. Most are local also on Hampi and surrounding but 10 kilometer people, they not see proper Hampi.
Okay.
Even me also, since 23 years, I'm not completely in Hampi. It was big site. Any
Okay.
direction you can see the monument.
Any direction.
Second biggest archaeological site in Asia. First, Angkor Wat, Cambodia.
Cambodia, yeah, Angkor Wat.
Angkor Wat. So, there's a first place, the Hampi second place. You know, highest tourist visiting point, Taj Mahal in India. Second is Hampi.
Oh, I didn't know
Highest
this.
tourist
visiting
visited place.
places. Second is Hampi, okay, in India.
First is the Taj Mahal.